Hi, I'm Leo and welcome to School.me. Recently, I created a WhatsApp group and I thought I should make this video to explain to you why, so you would know what to expect from this group. Now, the first reason is to have a more direct audience. Most times when I make videos, I have to go around different Facebook groups posting these videos, and this is really time consuming and stressful for me. So I'm creating this WhatsApp group so that people who are interested in what I do or who like my content can join this group, and whenever I post videos I can share the videos on WhatsApp or send the link. That way I will have a more direct contact with the audience. Now, secondly, sometimes when I watch a really good video that I feel someone who's trying to learn this particular programming language or this particular course would really need this video. Now, I cannot share them on my YouTube channel because of YouTube copyright laws, but I can easily post them on this WhatsApp group. Now, note that posting them on WhatsApp does not really violate the copyright laws of the content creator, because posting these videos also help the content creator to reach a wider audience. Now, third is so I can share other content formats like PDF and stuff. Now, sometimes I download a really good PDF or I come across a really good presentation that I feel that the audience might really need this, but I can not always put them in the description, because even when I do, most times people don't really go through the description. Alright, sometimes when you create a WhatsApp group, people tend to come in and they begin to post nonsense or things that are not really important to the group. Now, I had to change the settings of this WhatsApp group so only the admin can post to the group. Now, I didn't want to do this because I wanted a situation where you can actually ask questions on that WhatsApp group, but to limit the number of messages that will be on the WhatsApp group, and so it will not be disturbing for the group members, I had to turn off that settings. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, you can hit the subscribe button so that whenever I post videos you will be notified. Thanks and have a lovely day.